Hello, my friends. Are you ready to do a number talk for the combinations in number 5? Let's start with our first 10 frame. So it's called a 10 frame because it has 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this 10 frame's not full. And I see one row is full. When we subitize, one row full means that it is a group of 5. And we can count to be sure, but we should be able to subitize that one row on a 10 frame is 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know the altogether is 5, but now we need to look at the color groups. I see a green group and a blue group. How many in the green group? Let's check. I subitize 3 in that green group. I'm going to write down 3. How many in the blue group? I can subitize 2 for the blue group. I'm going to write down and 2. 3 and 2 altogether is 5. So if I have a group of 3 and I put in 2 more, I will have 5 altogether. Let's look at our next 10 frame. So again, we have one row full. If I subitize one row full on a 10 frame, it's going to be 5. The groups are different on this 10 frame. Here, I can subitize the number 4. I see 2 and 2, and I know 2 and 2 makes 4. This is a group of 4. You can count to be sure. And then I see a group of 1 green. I'm going to write down and 1. So if I have a group of 4 and I put in 1 more, altogether I have 5. Let's read it. 4 and 1 more makes 5 altogether. Let's look at our first dice up here at the top, the green dice. So again, we can subitize on the dice the X. The X is the number 5. If I take the center out, you can see it's the square. The square is the number 4, and if I put in this extra one in the center, it makes 5. We know that this is a group of 5, so I'm going to put down 5 to show how many altogether. Then I'm going to look at my color groups. On the top, I can subitize a group of 2. I see a group of 2. I'm going to write that down. Then I'm going to write the and sign because there's more. There's 3 more. I can subitize this little triangle as a group of 3. I'm going to write that down. So if I had 2 and then I put in 3 more, altogether I would have 5. Let's read. 2 and 3 altogether makes 5. The last dice down here, we have the square. So you know the square, you can subitize that. That would be 4, but I'm going to put in 1 in the center that makes the X, and that will subitize down. We can subitize that down to 5. And I'm going to look at my colors here. My green group is the square. Subitize the square. How much is it? Did you say 4? It's 4 when we subitize that square on a dice. And then 1 right in the middle. So I'm going to put and 1. So if I have 4 and I put in 1 more, altogether I will have 5. Let's read that. 4 and 1 altogether makes 5. Are you ready to do it on your fingers? Let's go. So let's think for a second. If I put up 4 on this hand, how many do I need to put on this hand to make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 1 more to make 5. 4 and 1 altogether makes 5. Let's try a different one. Let's try 3 on this hand. If I have 3 on this hand, I think I'll put up 1 more. That will make 5. Wait, 3 and 1 is only 4. That's not right. Let's try 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2 together make 5. All right, let's try a different one. Let's try 1 on this hand. Ooh, this is tough because 1's really not close to 5, so I'm going to have to put in quite a few more. Let's see. I'll put in 1 more. Is 1 and 1 5? No. I'll put in 2 more. Is 1 and 2 5? No, that's 3. Okay. Let's try 3 more. Is 1 and 3 5? Now that's only 4. All right, here we go. Let's put in 4. 1 and 4 together. 1 and 4 makes 5. Interesting. Last one we'll try today. I'm going to put, I can't remember if I did 3 or 2 last time. So let's do 2 on this hand. How many more on this hand to make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to put up 3 more fingers. 2 and 3 together makes 5. Or 3 and 2 together makes 5. I can change hands just like magic. The last one we could also make is 5 and 0 together makes 5, because 0 changes nothing, because 0 means nothing. Can you get out your materials and make some combinations to 5? Could you use your hands to show your parts that you put together to make 5? Have fun!